Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Basic info. Red wine will stain fibers that it sinks into for too long, and they become permanent if heated in a dryer, as they will then set. The goal then is to lift the red wine off of the fibers by diluting it and wicking it away. Scrubbing is therefore a no-no.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Acidity turns anthocyanins red, while alkalinity shades them toward blue. Because wine already has acid in it, its anthocyanins are red. But as soon as you expose those anthocyanins to more alkaline factors, they will start to turn blue.
Take our lead.
Red wine, specifically, will stain fibers if it's allowed to sit for too long, and exposure to heat can render these stains permanent. To deal with these stains, you need a detergent that can dilute the stain, lift it, and wash it away in one step, without rubbing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Mix about 3 parts hydrogen peroxide and 1 part dishwashing liquid, then apply to your red wine stain. Let it sit for a while, think 20 minutes to an hour, to do its magic. Then, blot clean before attempting to fully wash out the mixture.
Take our lead.
All you need to do to remove the red wine stain is pour a little white wine on top of it and then rub a thick layer of baking soda on top. You should let this sit for a couple of hours. Once the stain has been lifted, wash the spot with soap and water to remove all traces of wine and baking soda.
Take our lead.
Once you notice a spill on your furniture, blot up as much spilled wine as possible. Mix 1 tablespoon of liquid hand dishwashing detergent with 2 cups of cool water, and sponge the stain with the solution. Blot with an absorbent cloth until the liquid is absorbed. Then sponge with cold water and blot dry.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.